Oh, okay, hold on. Okay. Alright, what's up, YouTube? This is my Q&A. I told you guys to ask me questions on Instagram, and I'm gonna answer them. First question is, what type of bike do I have? I have a 2020 SU Bikes Box Fly Stealth Mode. I'll show a picture of it right now. Boom. Alright, next question. What brakes do I run? I have what's it called?
V-brakes.
Alright, I have the Cool Stop MTB brake pads, the salmon ones in black. The like, what is it called?
The salmon ones.
No. What is it called? The dual color.
Bike life.
I don't know,
pads.
but yeah, it's
know,
literally
man.
the one everyone uses on V brakes. Okay, so I have Cool Stop MTB brake pads, the salmon and black ones, with Odyssey slick cable and a Tetra 313A lever. That's the prime V brake setup. Alright, the next question is, would you rather have a beast mode or a SoCal flyer? I'd have a beast mode because SoCal's like, yeah. Alright, what was your first bike that you learned how to wheelie up? Wheelie on.
Hey, yo.
The SoCal basically. Like,
Nah, the 20-inch Ripper.
No, like legit wheelie was on my SoCal.
But you started on the 20-inch Ripper.
Yeah, I started on the 20-inch SU Bike Ripper. What's the hardest combo you had to learn? The hardest combo I learned is the La Plaga trick, the opposite crisscross pedals to regular crisscross pedals. I'll play a video right now.
Yeah, that trick took a long time. It was over like 10 hours of filming.
Alright. Alright, what's my favorite trick and what is my best trick? My favorite trick, probably like cross pedals and then jump back, because that's like really easy and I do it a lot. And then my best trick would be, I'll play a video right now. I don't know what you name it. It's La Plaga to backwards.
Bro, no, yes!
Yeah. When you come into Philly, I don't know.
This summer.
Fly me out and I'll go any day. What made you want to join Oneway? Probably all my favorite riders were in Oneway. Like Oneway Matt, Oneway Ted, of course Oneway Corey. All of them were in Oneway, so I was like, damn, I'm gonna try to join Oneway. And I got in. What made you want to get into riding? My friend Jordan. He goes to my school and he was telling me, oh, I ride bikes, this and that. You should get a bike. He sold me my first bike and boom, started riding. What's your next bike? Mafia 27.5 Bomber. Are you from Long Beach? Yes. How do you get the money to buy the bikes, accessories, and stuff, because it's expensive? You gotta save your money and then spend it on what you want to buy. What is the most comfortable bike you've ridden besides yours? Most comfortable bike is C2 or a Fat Ripper. Those are comfortable, but I wouldn't get one for myself. Okay, C2's comfortable just for wheelies, and then like a Fat Ripper is just a cheat code. But I wouldn't get one because tires, like, they're so fat that I rub my leg on the tire so much. Do a bike check. Quick bike check.
Let's get it.
Alright, quick bike check. Start up here. I got the ODI soft compound grips. These are way better than the ones with flanges. They feel way softer. What do you think, John?
I give it a calm 0 out of 10.
Next is the Tetra 313A lever. This one's nice. It's not like, you know how most levers are just sticking out so far, you can barely reach it. This one's nice.
Yeah.
This one's pretty short. And then the Odyssey slick cable. Brakes smooth. And then Cool Stop MTB brake pads. I need to get new cables from Soaking. But I got a Bozak tire in the front, stock tire, and a hookworm in the back. Because I'm broke and I can't afford another hookworm. I got a Ride Supply sticker kit. Shots to Ride Supply. Blue Panther. I got Ride Supply spoke skins. I got these little green, like they're lights for my bike whenever I ride at dark.
We got Bike Life Slap sticker.
Bike Life Slap sticker. Shots Bike Life Slap. Shout out to the 805 boys. Yes, sir. I got
DMR
DMR V6 pedals. These are the best riding pedals out. I don't care what you say. They barely spin. So like, say you're about to jump. Because with most pedals, you're gonna jump. It's gonna move like that. Broke, young boy. I was like,
And then
just get broke.
Rise play sprocket.
Rise supply sprocket. Rise supply need a refund. Team faded. I was like, but it
Yeah.
did fade. It did fade.
And
But
then
I got
pegs.
Oneway Corey X Collective pegs. The grip tip ripped, so I should put new ones on. SU chain tensioners.
ODI valve caps.
ODI valve caps and Mafia seat. Best seat out. I don't care what you say. Turn off the flash, Jumbo.
My bad, Jit.
How much for your bike? Give me $1,000 in this year.
1K, this thing yours, man.
$1,000 is yours. Let's see. Why do you ride with your stem upside down? It's more comfortable for me. Just flip my stem. It's way more comfortable. So I don't like how tall supers are, but with big honkings, they just feel way too short. So flipped is like perfect. Are you planning to get another bike? Yes. Would you like more rim brakes or disc brakes? I like disc brakes way better, but got rim
What
brakes.
type of
right
question
now.
is that, man?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure everybody else would go with disc brakes, but that's what I have to deal with.
Because you're broke. Just kidding, y'all. He's rich.
Yeah, you see this? Big baller house. Big body.
Hi, yo.
Okay. My top 5 people in Cali. Alright, top 5. No order. 956 Dylan. Young Murdoch. Me.
Oneway Aydin. Just kidding.
Yeah, Oneway Aydin. And
Cash.
Cash or Nika? Nah, Cash. For sure, Cash. Those are my top 5.
Alright, y'all, so
When are you gonna have your own ride out? Damn shit. Having
Stay
my
tuned.
own ride out
Stay tuned.
Soon.
Stay
Stay
tuned.
tuned. Maybe this month. Stay tuned.
Yo, alright, so
Okay, last question.
last question.
Last question. Let's see. There's 3 more about this. Would you ever sell your bike?
Yes, for
Damn this chair.
a calm 1K.
Yeah, come on, K. It's yours. That's pretty much it.
Alright, y'all, so
Like, comment, subscribe. And yeah, stay tuned for more videos. I'm gonna be posting way more. But yeah.